What's up, YouTube? Let's dive a little deeper here today. I believe that we have been miseducated about some concepts of life, and I would like to clarify these concepts, okay? People talk about things as if they're definite, but life is not definite. So, you ever hear or you ever say, I just want to be happy, I just want to be confident, I just want to be loved, I just want to be successful. These are the concepts of life that we speak about as if they are definite. It's not a definite at all times that you're going to be any one of these things, right? So I want to change the mindset let's change the mindset about these concepts of life. Every day, at any moment, something can happen, something can change. So for those who say they just want to be happy, I'm a happy person in general, but I understand that I'm not always going to be happy. I'm not always going to feel happy. I choose to be happy. It's a choice. So happiness is a fleeting thing. I can witness something like a accident where a person didn't make it and it'll make me feel unhappy. I'm not happy about that, right? But then I can go and look at my family, I could look at my wife and just get so much joy and happiness from that. And that can all be in the same day. So happiness is a fleeting thing. You're not always going to feel happy, but you can choose to be happy and choose to focus on things that would make you happy. The same goes for confidence. We're not always confident. I know I could be loud, I could be extroverted. I'm a confident guy, I'm bold, I'm willing to talk to people about things that most people would hide. It's my nature, it's my profession. It would be naive of me to say that I never have moments where I'm not confident or not as confident. I get nervous, I can be bashful, there's times where I have to prep myself and talk to myself to get myself ready just to do the small things or something simple. I'm not always confident, right? And the same goes for love, same goes for success. Success, let's say you're working so hard to reach a certain goal, right? Once you reach that goal, then what? Are you not successful anymore? Are you done? You still got breath in your body. It's not over. So there's going to be another goal. There's going to be more to work towards. But that does not make you unsuccessful because now you have something else to work towards. You see what I'm saying? I think we need to lighten the load and change our mindsets on these concepts of life because we talk about these things as if they're definite. I want to be happy. I want to be confident. I want to be loved. I want to be successful. We all want all of those things, I'm sure. If you're watching this, I'm sure you want to be all of those things. And you can be if you're not already. But they're not definite. Life is not definite. It's not a definite thing. It's not like, oh, I got happiness, I'm done. Like, I got it, I'm done. It's all of these things are fleeting. All of these things you have to work towards and build up. All of these things take a daily practice. All of these things can be found within. Happiness, love, confidence, and success. You determine what success is to you. So I want to change the narrative. I want to change the mindset. Let's change the mindset behind these concepts of life. These are false concepts of life that we have. We talk about these things as if they're definite, and life is not definite, man. So remember this the next time that you question these things, okay? Remember this the next time that you feel as though you don't have these things or you'll never get these things, because of course you will, and you'll lose them too. It's okay. It's okay. You're going to gain happiness, you're going to lose happiness. You're going to get love, you're going to feel hurt. Okay? You're going to be confident, you're going to have a low self-esteem. It's all right. It's all right, man. We all been there. We all done had it. It's okay. You're going to be successful. You're going to have some failures, okay? In order to get to success, you got to go through some things. So, hey, trial and error. Don't look at these things as a definite and be so harsh on yourself about these things. Know that you can grow and build these concepts of life within, and you can just carry them with you and keep it light. Keep it nice and light. All right? Subscribe, and I'll see you guys.